Let me show you how to create this simple mask trick on Photoshop. First, open your image. Then go to Select and choose Subject. Now press Ctrl J to create a new layer with background. Then insert your number and drag layer 2 above the text layer. Then click on Layer Mask. Then press Ctrl and click here to select the pixels. Now go to Brush Tool and make sure the background color is black. Choose Hard Round Brush and set the opacity and the flow to 100. Then follow this process. Then click on your text and create a new layer at the top. Then hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Choose the brush tool and follow this process. But first, let's choose a dark color. And don't forget to choose the soft round brush and to set the flow to 31. Now create a new layer at the top. Choose the brush tool and follow this process. Then press Ctrl and click here to select the pixels and press the Delete key. Now go to Select and choose Deselect. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.